From NBC News, this is Today with Irene and Delina, live from NBC Studios at Rockefeller Center.
Good morning, everyone, and welcome to Today. I'm Irene.
And I'm Delina. Today is Tuesday, June 30, and we're so happy you're starting your day with us.
How are you doing this morning, Delina?
And how are you doing, Irene?
I'm good, thank you very much.
Let's get into today's headlines. A new study found that a positive attitude is key to a person's health. Ways to increase happiness levels include setting goals, practicing gratitude and meditation, and of course, smiling more.
Now that we've got our headlines covered, let's check in with our meteorologist, Nicola.
Hello, Irene and Delina. How are you this morning?
We're doing well and hoping we'll have some nice weather headed our way.
Well, you're in luck, my friends, because from coast to coast, it's going to be a beautiful weekend with sunny, clear skies. It will be the perfect time to get outside. Hope you have a great weekend in your neck of the woods.
Sounds like it's going to be a fantastic weekend. And to start it off, let's get a morning boost.
What's a morning? Meet Ranger and Sydney, two rescue dogs reunited thanks to a chance conversation between their owners. They organized a play date and the pups started playing like no time had passed, proving true friendship can last a lifetime.
Oh, what a special moment. Now it's time for Pop Start. Let's heed to Verica for the latest in pop culture.
Hey Irene and Delina, we have someone special here in the studio today. Say hello to Maria, a Grammy Award-winning artist who released their new album today. Maria, hi! How's the New York weather treating you so far?
New York is treating me great. I love it.
You're getting ready to head out on your very first world tour. What can fans expect from you on stage?
They should expect a lot of fun, and
You've worked with some of the biggest names in the music industry. I'm curious, who's your dream collaboration?
I would love to collaborate with Lana Del Rey, because she is a queen herself, and I can't wait to collaborate with her.
We love Lana Del Rey, and we can't wait to hear you play some of your new music on our plaza. But before we go, what do you want to say to all our fans?
I want to say to all of your fans, never stop chasing your dreams, and always be confident, because know your worth.
Irene and Delina, I know you both are big fans too, so get on your dancing shoes.
So fun! Thanks, Verica. Before we wrap up, we want to thank our amazing crew who make everything possible behind the scenes.
That's right. From our top-notch camera operators to our talented control room. We are fortunate enough to have the best in the business.
We also have the best audience members in the world. Let's go to Ruthie on the plaza now.
Hey Irene, I'm here with an excited fan now. What's your name and where are you from?
Where I am from Brazil.
Anybody watching at home you want to say hi to?
Oh, say hi to my dog. Here.
Well, thank you for being here, and from all of us at Today, thank you for watching. Have a great day. We'll see you tomorrow.